Yes, it's time for the Day 4 Willowfest 2013 wrap, or as we say in Spanish, El Momento del Trutho. As Hopalong Cassidy once said, it's lonely in the saddle since the horse died, and I'm here tonight just doing a solo job because none of the captains have decided to come in to talk to me. I don't know why. I do apologise, but stick with me and I'll give you all the information you need to know from Global Tanks Willowfest 2013, the winners throughout the division and the individual stars of the day. Day 4, January 30 here in beautiful Mildura, and what a day it proved to be. Let's start with the Powercore Cup Grade Grand Final played at the beautiful Mildura Senior College #1 track, and this featured the GameStar Panthers taking on Mel Rimple. Mel Rimple had come through undefeated with 4 wins, while the Panthers lost on day 1, but were gathering steam as they came into the final. And steam they did, winning the toss and making 5 for 294 with Talon Wright, the Claw, 87, Johnny Kent, that's not a mispronunciation, 61, and the great Tarek Magani, 56. Jezza Brown also got 53, the top 4, just smashed them around a bit. Butch Gale with 46, a good double for him, and the great Tarek Magani, a rare bowler, made a visit to the crease, 5 for 32, and was on the hat trick at one stage. So a great grand final game from Tarek Magani, helping the GameStar Panthers to win the Powercore Cup Grade Grand Final. That'll make them about 3K richer, I think, as a result. In the Veggie Final, played down at Aero 2, the Mallee Murray Bulls scored 6 for 147 to knock over Flip Sports, 116. The Flippers coming through the week without a win, but my goodness me, what an impressive group of Australians they are. Mark Thompson got 44 for the Mallee Murray Bulls, and Tommy Holmes got 26. Let's go to the Telstra A grade now, where the final was played at Irimple today between the Crazy Mexican Yabbies and Kangarilla. Kangarilla spoke of their fear to me last night that this crazy Mexican side might be a little strong for them, and so it proved. Kangarilla knocked over for 116 with Tom Johnston top scoring with 33. The Yabbies got 3 for 119 to win by 7 wickets with Luke Bruiser Stanbrook 45 not out. The crazy Mexican Yabbies taking out the Telstra A grade. In the Veggie Final there over at Wentworth on that beautiful wicket, Mercantile 4 for 175, knocked off Kumi Wentworth 9 for 173. Tom Chaney took 4 for 33 for Mercantile. Chazza Journeau made 62, and Johnny Bergen subbing in for the Mercs got 52 not out as they took out the Telstra A grade Veggie Final, with the crazy Mexican Yabbies our winners in that division. In the Workers B grade, no final was played. There were 6 teams competing here, and the West Toads 7 for 74 defeated the McLaren Crushers 73. A low-scoring affair. A high-scoring affair, Mildura East 1 for 194 with Rotten Reggie Connell 100 not out. That is not a misprint. Reg Connell 100 not out. We salute you. And they knocked off Kangarilla B 8 for 192. So they won by 9 wickets there, Mildura East. And in the other game, the Danger Islanders. Bom, 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 diddle, bom, bom, bom. I think that's actually the Clutch Cargo theme song, but it'll do. Danger Islanders 6 for 133, knocked off Hutt River Province 127, giving the Danger Islanders top points in the Workers B grade. Well done, Danger Island. In the Tourism Victoria T20 today, 3 games played. Waitman's Packaging 4 for 176, knocked off the Willowfest 11 7 for 152. Anthony Scolaura 43 not out for the Willowfest 11, and Hayden Binios 79 not out for the Packages. Sharp Fine Legs 185 were knocked off by the Johnny Mullers, 1 for 194 the Mullers. Sandy Hodge 106 not out. Woo, woo. Marcus, somebody Kerno, 60, and for Sharp Fine Legs, Stewie Squire got 49. And in the third game in the T20 today, the Ray White Dirty Dozen, 3 for 166, fixed up the Drews 94. Connor Darby 94 not out. Matty Noonan, son of Noodle, 47 not out for the Ray White Dirty Dozen, who ran out winners in the Tourism Victoria T20 competition overall under the superb leadership of Cabbage Kerr. For the ladies' comp, the final today was played between the Coburg Ladies and the Brighton Beasts. What a match it proved to be. Brighton 7 for 143, chased down by the Coburg Ladies 3 for 177. Renee Melton Just walk away, Renee. 76 not out. Rebecca Allen, 56. While for the Brighton Beasts, Ali Baker got 55. A win there for the Coburg ladies in the ladies comp, sponsored by Mildura Rural City Council. And in the veggie final there, Sunraysia Heat 6 for 123 with Annabelle Martin, 44 not out, defeated the crazy Mexican ladies just the 30. So a little bit one-sided in the veggie final. Let's take you through the better individual performances of day 4, the final day of Willowfest. Dustin's looking very concerned in the background there. He's an outstanding technician, but he's happy with the way we're travelling. We're just wondering what's in those cardboard boxes out on the landing, and I think it's body parts. We'll check shortly. The best batting performances today, 106 not out for Sandy Hodge for the Tourism Victoria 2020 grade. Reggie Connell from Mildura East managed to knock up 100 not out today. Connor Darby got 94 not out. Talon Wright, 87 for the Powercore Cup grade champions, the GameStar Panthers. 79 not out for Hayden Binios of Waitman's Packaging. Jacko Armston, 76 for Mel Rimple. Renee Melton of the Coburg ladies, 76 not out. Cami Vajla, 63 not out for Mildura East. Well done, Campbell. Johnny Kent, that's not a mispronunciation, 61 there for the GameStar Panthers. And Marcus Curnow of the Mighty Mullers made 60. With the ball today, Stevie Nairn of McLaren Districts took 5 for 28. 5 for 32 to Tarek Magani, 3 for 13 for Kyle Waitman, 3 for 15 for Callan Humphreys of the West Toads, 3 for 19 for Paul Germano, 3 for 27 for Tay Piawi, 3 for 34 for Bradley S. Gowers, 3 for 48 for Jay Parsons, 3 for 54 for Butchie Gale in the Cup Grade Final, and 3 for 59 for Jason Marks. Now that is all we have for you today. Thanks for following us on YouTube. Hope you've enjoyed the information on the Global Tanks 2013 Willowfest Carnival, and a massive vote of thanks to Dustin for his outstanding technical work. I'm Bill Saw. That's it for now. See ya.